is how we do it in Holland. You see? It's like a mirror. We're gonna polish also the shoes, give a good shine, and you have a new shoe. You see? So now we polish this shoe. You can see. Look how it looks now. You see, we polished it with Saphir Renovateur for the broken pieces, and now I'm gonna polish it out. So now, as finishing touch, we're going to use Saphir Medaillon Mirror Gloss. This is to give extra shine. You see, we have the two colors here. You have Incoloro and you have black. We're going to put it on the leather. So, look, this is the result now. You see? We polished it, put a new lace, new sole, new heel. Yeah, almost new shoe. You see?